What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to show y'all some recent Goodwill home decor finds. I know I've been showing y'all clothing items lately because I'm trying to get ready for that summertime, but I was like, let me share, because I know some of them videos it revealed that I was buying up more than just clothes. So I'm going to show y'all what I have also been purchasing besides clothes. So the first item is this cute little stool. Y'all, I've been looking for like a step stool. And I was like, okay, this is tight. And it's very, very sturdy, guys. I think it's an IKEA pick. Like, over, let me see. Y'all know I don't be, yeah, it's IKEA. Can y'all see that? Jones. So, you see the screws and all, the braces and whatever you call it. Very good. It was only $9.99. And I thought that was a good price. Y'all know I had to test it out before I actually walked out the store. So this stepping stool, good find. Then I found these chickens. Now these are originally from Hobby Lobby. Now for those who do not know, I have, I guess, a farm, barnyard, crave, crush, whatever. First it used to be cows. Now I'm into the dang on chickens. And I couldn't resist. These, I think, I don't think that's wood. I don't know what that is. But it's a nice guy. It got a nice little weight. And they are from Hobby Lobby, like I mentioned. And they Hobby Lobby Jones was talking about $19.99. Who's going to pay $19.99 for this? So as you see, I paid $3.99 for them. And I thought, that was a reasonable price. I wish, of course, they were lower, but I couldn't resist. I'm like, you know what? It is what it is. How cute are these chickens? And y'all know I love leopard, so I'm like, boom, you're a new. First, I was like, I could just get one. Nope. They always like, take me home. So, and they're gonna go in my kitchen, of course. I do believe. And you know what else I like about them? They're decorated on both sides. And my OCD. I needed that because sometimes I want to flip them. Depends on where I'm going to put them. So, I love it. Next item is this wooden box. Y'all, I was not going to get this wooden box because I'm like, what the heck I'm going to do with a wooden box? And it's a lock box. Let me open it for you guys. And it's a nice size. It's, look about, I don't know, 15, like arm length. I don't know. But, so it's a lock box. You already know it's going to play me right. Oh, my Jesus. We're going to pretend I opened it, okay? Oh, you know what? Because I'm not doing the right things. So, like I say, I still don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it. I only paid $2 for it, guys. It was the color of the day, and it was on a Monday, and so it was 75% off. And I was like, I can find something to do with it. And y'all, and I already do love it. I just don't know which room it's gonna actually go in. But I thought it was cute. Cute. Okay, moving on to the next item. I am in love with milk jugs, y'all. And I found this ceramic one. What it got on it? Chickens. So either side fits the love of my heart, okay, guys? And I thought it was super duper cute. And it was only $1.99. And I thought that was a good price for that or what have you. But, oh my God, how cute is that? So I'm going to use it as probably like a vase or I don't know yet. I also thought about putting it in my craft room, like on my little, the little cute little stand I got, but put like pins and stuff in it. We'll see. But I thought it was super cute. Next thing I got is this copper utensil holder. Y'all, I love copper. And I'm not going to say it's hard to find, but it's hard to find at a decent price. And this is another Hobby Lobby original. Y'all see their price, and I paid $3.99. When I see the copper ones that I like, I buy them. So I didn't mind paying that price. And I think that one was the color of the day when I purchased it too. So I got it even cheaper. But I love that. Then the last item I have is this cute pitcher, jug, whatever you want to call it. How cute is that, guys? So I'm like, First I was like, I'm gonna get it. And it's like, it's only $2.99, guys. So I'm like, nah, I'm getting that because I wanted a white pitcher, but I haven't found one that I really, really liked. And that one to me was just too cute and unique because it looked different to me. And it's originally from Target Home. So I was like, yeah, I'm getting it. $2.99, that's not bad at all. So this concludes my video of all my cute little finds, guys. And I, of course, love them all. I told myself I'm going to slow my roll. We're going to see how well that goes. But y'all, this is the end of the video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.